Earn $3,300 per week using free Google Money generator that pays per click for beginners. Despite your frequent Google searches, you may not be aware that the search engine may also be used to generate income. In this video, I'll teach you how to generate thousands of dollars as a total newbie with no prior experience or training whatsoever by only copying and pasting information from Google. Hi, thank you for visiting Lunch2Freedom. This channel is for you if you want to earn extra money. So let's get started with the video. But first, you'll be thrilled to learn that we'll be giving away prizes for viewers who watch the entire video till the end. If you want to win the prize, you have to comment below the video after watching it. Like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. After you have done all that, send an email to lunch2freedom@gmail.com from the Gmail account you use to comment on the video to win your prize. So, let's get going. Grab your smartphone, check your connections, and pay attention to the next few minutes of this post. I'll be dropping some additional ideas and suggestions for generating money throughout the post, so make sure you don't miss a thing. Using Lightshot.com. To begin, the Google product you'll be utilizing is called Lightshot. You can obtain it at Lightshot.com. Regardless of whether you are using a Mac or a PC, you will need to install it. You'll only need to click one button to get it. And using Lightshot is as easy as cutting and pasting images from other websites, because this method relies significantly on being able to copy and paste. Having this capacity is necessary. You won't have to be concerned about the productions of your goods, the design and development of your own website, the creations and maintenance of your own sales page, or the management of your own customer support. To make a few $100s every week with very little effort, all you need is Google and a few minutes to copy and paste. After downloading it to your computer, setting up Lightshot.com may be done in a matter of minutes. All you have to do to start to download is click the button labeled Download. When that is finished, you should proceed to the next step. Go to an affiliate marketplace and hunt for affiliate deals to promote. You can accomplish this by using the website Digistore24.com. Using Digistore24.com. Digistore24.com is suitable for our needs since it caters to customers all over the globe. It has a large variety of niches and requires no installations or configurations on your part. After creating an account, you may begin browsing the store's contents by logging in. If you go to the left side of the page, you'll discover a market where you can pick from hundreds of affiliate offers in a wide range of niches, such as dating, business, and investing in animals and pets, and so on. You may start promoting right now by clicking the Promote Now button, which will then give your own affiliate link. In case you forgot, if someone clicks on this affiliate link and then buys the product, you will get a commission. What you're looking for most at this point is a VSL that can be included in the product's sales page. This means that you must look out for promotional videos. The sales page may be accessed by selecting a corresponding link. A sales video is crucial for any video, so if they have one, that's fantastic news for you. As soon as the promotional video loads, you should begin taking screenshots. So now, start opening it, and afterward, take a screenshot of the video box and tap on Copy Now. After that, go to Google and look for Google Docs. You may copy and paste the picture into a new empty Google Doc. You must not forget to add the all-important title. Next, you'll create a call to actions that says something like, click here to see the rest of the video. The significance of this will become clear to you. You may now want to center the headline, make it larger and bolder, and switch to a more aesthetically pleasing font. Afterward, get back to Digistore and copy your affiliate link before finally inserting it to the CTA you just made. The next step is transforming the title into a link by copying and pasting the URL. Right now, it's clickable. And you can even add your affiliate link here. Select Input Link from the context menu and Image to insert the link. Anyone who views this document can immediately see the complete video with your access link. They will be sent straight to the purchase page if they check the box. Name your document something enticing, like Hidden Surprise, to get visitors to click on it and then click again to see the video. And the sales page will load automatically. In this case, you want them to purchase the appropriate product, since doing so will bring in a lot of cash for you. Using Slideshare.net. After saving the file to your computer as a PDF, you'll need to visit Slideshare.net, where you may see the presentation. People who upload PDFs to Slideshare.net often see thousands upon thousands of views, and the site itself receives millions of unique visitors every month. The PDF may be uploaded by selecting it from your computer, clicking the Upload button, selecting Documents to upload, and finally giving it a title. choose the subfield, which may include health and medicine, physical fitness, or lifestyle. When that's done, you may go ahead and add a brief description. Put it like this: check out the video and we'll give you a special keto gift. Including text and keywords in the description box will help it rank higher in search results and attract people who are looking for information about keto diets and fitness. To make your post more discoverable, change the privacy to public and include tags like fitness, free gift, keto, and similar terms like them. Once you are ready, hit publish and your presentations will be uploaded to Slideshare.net. After they open it, thinking, hey, this is like a hidden surprise for me, they'll click on it because they want to see what it is. They'll save it to their computer and then all it takes to play it is a click on the text or the thumbnail. After that, they'll be sent to a sales page where they may earn more money for each person you send. Suppose you want to maximize your chances of generating a profit with this method. In that case, you can obviously simply depend on free traffic coming from Slideshare.net and share as many papers and items as possible. The more you publish, the greater the likelihood you will succeed financially. Also, given that they will likely remain on Slideshare.net indefinitely, you may post once and reap the benefits of your work for many months to come. Using YouTube. It is a terrific technique to gain free traffic, and it is possibly one of the best ways that have ever been developed to sell an affiliate product if you have a faceless automated channel on YouTube. You don't even have to record anything or show your face for this kind of channel. Both of those things are optional. Beginning an anonymous YouTube channel is your best bet for maximizing the amount of money you may make through the promotions of affiliate offers. And we have to end this video here. I appreciate that you stay until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn new ways to make money online, please leave a comment with your ideas or a video request. We'll send our financial blueprint book to everyone who subscribe, and click the bell symbol and leave a comment beneath our video. You can increase your wealth and financial freedom with the aid of our book on financial freedom. Watch our other videos. Until then, thank you for watching.